Alright, good evening. So ayan, demo lang natin lahat ng kinabit natin kay sir. From Tanawan, ayan. Sobrang daming kinabit. Isa-isahin natin. Poison, Camelback, Pro Circuit, Handguard, Bosch Europa, Prism, Glare Prism, Daylight, Morningstar 80 watts, Battle Holder, Motowolf, Handle Riser. Okay, testingin natin. Mini driving light, low beam. Tapos, yung Morningstar low beam. Alright, low beam. And passing light. Okay, tapos, stock horn. Yan. Nalilito ba? And then, yung Bosch Europa with combo light. Alright, paki-off lahat ng ilaw. Paki-off. Then, passing light. Alright, tapos, combo light.